Jai Srimanarayana. 17th sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Shraddhaya paraya taptam tapastat त्रिविधं नरैः अफला कांक्षिभिः युक्तैः सात्विकं परिचक्षते। Om. Perform all your divine activities and austerities as a service to Sri Krishna Paramatma, and make sure you have faith and devotion to Sri Krishna Paramatma as an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita. Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall perform all my divine activities and austerities as a service to you. O Srimanarayana, I shall keep on making sure that I have faith and devotion towards you. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. O Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey all your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, all the Devatas went to Paramasiva and praying like this. O Paramasiva, the great enlightened people always have appearance of your divine feet in their own heart. Whereas those who doesn't understand your real, true personification, your reality, kathante vugra parusham niratam smesane, because you are associated with Umadevi, they feel that you are Kamuka. Because you always wander in the burial ground, they feel that you are Ugra. They all feel like that because they have no perfect knowledge about you. They are all ignorant. Whereas some people, కొందరు కలడందురు కొందరు లేడందురు గుణికాడు అనుచుందురు కొందరు కలడని లేడని. Some people says you don't exist. Some people says you are existing. Some people says you have no divine attributes. Bhagavan, you are the root cause of this entire universe. But even Brahma and other devatas also cannot realize you. Now what to talk about small ordinary people, ignorant people. Now if you take our case, we are praising you to our best extent. And nobody can understand your completeness. But as far as we know, your Sannidhi, being with you or having your association, being in meditation upon you is always brings such a great amount of happiness, joy to everyone. Bhagavan, to our maximum extent we are praising you, we are praying you. Like that, all the devatas praying Paramasiva. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasitravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं. कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं. हे कृष्णा संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 17th chapter 17th श्लोक. श्रद्धया परया तप्तं तपस्तत्त्रिविधं नरैः अफलाकाङ्क्षिभिर्युक्तैः सात्विकं परिचक्षते. श्रद्धया परया तप्तं तपस्तत्त्रिविधं नरैः अफलाकाङ्क्षिभिर्युक्तैः सात्विकं परिचक्षते. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.